Tom, so nearly the match winner. It must have been disappointing to concede that goal at the end.
Yeah, it's always disappointing when you concede a goal that late. But I think we should see out the game, myself as well. Better beforehand, better defending. So yeah, we got chances to put the game to bed, but we didn't be clinical enough tonight.
Not sure what the average age of that team was come the final whistle, but nice to see a lot of the young boys out on the pitch together, and a lot of them making their first appearance for Wales.
Yeah, it's massive for them playing there for their country. Their first caps, a lot of them, and like you say, we've got a bright future.
What's it like playing with these boys? You know, some of them have only been in the squad for the last couple of camps, but all of them seem to have settled in really well.
Yeah, they fitted in really well. They're good players. Sure, they're going to go to the top as well. We've got a bright future for Wales, and like I say, hopefully we can get to places.
And for you personally, another goal tonight could have been the match winner, but your game's really come on in the last 2 or 3 months.
Yeah, I think so. Every time I put on the shirt, it feels good. Like I said, the disappointment of not making the World Cups, but like I say, personal, it's been good for me.